January 6, 2019. We did leave about a week late, but we're on the road. The dogs decided to rebel a little bit, so right now we are taking a pit stop to clean the poop up. But plans did change. We originally started out planning on taking 2 motorcycles, 2 dogs on a trip around the country. Problem is that the Harley just didn't have enough weight and enough power to be able to tow, and we ended up needing a lot more stuff. So we are taking 1 bike with the sidecar and the dogs, and now we have a chase vehicle. There is the sidecar and the bike and the dogs. There's Jen cleaning up the poop. Disgusting. So let's take a tour real quick of what we're using. We have a mypod, a couple little modifications. Got a little freezer up, an Emerson 3.5 cubic foot freezer on the front there. We did switch out the internal air conditioner with a top mount air conditioner and heat element inside. What's up on top right there is 240 watts of solar panels. I did rewire the whole thing inside. We have an inverter management system, but the mypod is completely full. I'll pop it open. We're gonna have to go through and really decide what exactly we do need and get rid of some things on the way. We are towing it with the Ford Focus, which is equally packed, which is exactly why the Harley just wasn't big enough. Again, we are going to be gone for a year, so you know, we had to make some decisions, and the decision was to go ahead and leave the bike, and Jen and I are going to be taking turns riding this, and then we'll use the motorcycle for day trips with the dogs, while the Focus and the mypod are back at whatever campsite that we're at. So that's just the update. Keep tuned in. We're heading to Tortilla Flats out here in Arizona, is where we're going to spend our first night and first day. So keep tuned in for the next video, and go ahead and like and subscribe for updates in the future. Thank you.